Hey guys, Lawrence here and welcome back to another video where today I made up this little tornado thing called tornado test, and it's on these. As you guys can see, it's on these toys. This house right here, that's what I built from Lego Minecraft. It's not even part of the set. I just built it because I was playing with my toys and wanted a house. And yeah, these are my cars. This is and this Lego figure is what my cousin River got me. That she was thinking of me, and I found this at Jason's house. Yeah. And yeah. And now so let me. Oh, this guy's head is loose. Look. See, the head is loose. So see, guys, I was just took like 10 wiggles to get it off. Look. Oh wow. Wait. see how loose it is? Yeah. And I was pretending for this guy to be Thomas from the Maze Runner, running through the doors, and then the door just broke off his hand. Oh yeah. And now let's just place that guy right there. Alright, there we go. Now. Alright guys, so now this is the weakest tornado. Now let's just do this test. Dun dun dun. Tornado has hit. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
And maybe over here, she'll get to be a kid again.
Now look at all this destruction. We're just pushing. We were just pushing everything. Oh gosh, that's so scary. Now guys, I'll be back with the next tornado. Alright guys, I am back, and this is the medium-sized tornado. It's a little bit strong. Alright guys, so now let's start it. Bum, 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 bum. Now, look at all this destruction. Those two men died. Over here and here, they died. Oh man, look at all this destruction. These cars crashed. Those cars crashed. They are not even injured. Alright guys, I'll be back with the next tornado. Alright guys, I am back. Here's the world's strongest tornado. Alright, now let's go. Alright. And yeah. Now, look at all this destruction. Bum, bum, bum. This car is tipped over. This car has crashed. These cars have crashed on each other. These two men are dead. This car is tipped over. This house is destroyed. Oh, never mind. But yeah. Now guys, I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like. Inside, so a tornado. Alright guys, I'm back. Now let's go. And we are now time for the swim. Alright. Now let's go. Okay. Tablet. Oh gosh, it turned the thing. It turned my tablet. Alright. Now, time for the big one. Alright. Ready, guys? So I'm not. Let's go! Oh guys, it's doing it! It's doing the thing. It's doing the tablet. It's doing the tablet and my tablet hit the wall. And well, yeah. So guys, that was the tornado test. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!